Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn how you can disable all comments on your YouTube channel. So let's start. First, what you want to do is just click here on settings. When you're gonna go on settings, you want to click on community. In community, you want to click on default. And when you're gonna do it, you're gonna see it here, comments on your channel. Just click here on allow all comments, and then just click here disable comments. And then just click save, and voila, you got it. So this is how you can disable all comments. If we go again, settings, community, default, comments on your channel, allow all comments, and disable comments. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, ask me down below. I will be really happy to help you and provide you some guidance, some support. And yeah. See ya.